kitchen. Right now I am going to prepare some beautiful, delicious, tender fried chicken. This fried chicken recipe has a small Indian touch plus a Western touch as well. So I just thought let's share this recipe with you guys. But before I start the recipe, I just want to request you all lovely people, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for all the future notification of my videos. So let's start the cooking. For this recipe I am using this whole chicken already cut in small pieces. You can cut however you guys want to cut it, big, small, whatever your preference is. After that, using this beautiful lemon for the lemon juice, I just prepared some spices here: salt, black pepper, cumin powder, red chili powder, coriander powder. This is dry fenugreek leaves, or it is also known as kasuri methi. This is a ginger garlic paste and flour. This is just a regular all-purpose flour and a lot of oil to deep fry my chickens. So guys, this was a complete process of doing a fried chicken in my style, little chatpata in taste. So for more amazing videos, if you guys want to see, you just have to do only one thing: subscribe my channel, Abir in the Kitchen. The red button is just on the bottom, and I will see you next week again. Until that time, bye bye, take care.